got approved at Best Buy and now I'm off the platform. What is going on? If you're a cross border seller, hold on and I'll tell you. My name is Heather Robertson. I'm the co founder of RSG Sales. We help sellers like you grow their e commerce sales channel. Okay, so there is a new hiccup in 2026 that really started to come to a head in the last 6 months. It's called the Informed Consumer Act. In a nutshell, that means that sellers from around the world need to prove they have a physical presence here in the United States. Let me repeat that. You need to have proof that you have physical presence in the United States. Now, we have had a lot of suppliers try and beat the system and make up addresses and do everything. As rumors have had it and are true, then they are just getting suspended at Best Buy and never allowed back on. Crazy, right? So, why all of a sudden is this Informed Consumers Act being enforced? Glad you asked. There are three things that have really kind of pushed the envelope on this. First, the tariffs that have been instituted by the United States. Second, there has been US manufacturing initiatives. And three, all of a sudden, there is pressure to enforce the regulations. In other words, regulatory pressure. Now, just because of this doesn't mean all is lost. There are solutions. And at RSG Sales, that's what we do. We help you with the solutions. I will be honest though, the solutions can be costly. So we need to weigh heavily the cost versus the long-term value. Yeah, the long-term value of a particular platform and account. So if you are a good fit for Best Buy and you think that we can help you get your US physical presence, then click the link below, schedule a call, and we'll see if we can help you out.